All right, everyone, we're back with break 530. That's our third break of the night, the first half of the case of Court Kings. So let's read some names. Good luck, everyone. 530. Tyler B. with Atlanta Hawks, Lewis K. with Celtics, Daryl A. with the Nets, Joshua D. Hornets, John R. Bulls, Daryl A. with the Caps, Mavericks, and Nuggets, Zach C. with the Pistons, Daryl A. with the Warriors, Joshua D. with the Rockets, and Pacers going to Alcisto. Len P. with the Clippers, Daryl A. Lakers, Monica Z. Grizzlies, Quentin H. Heat, Angelina S. with the Bucks, Daryl A. Timberwolves, Joshua D. Pelicans and Knicks, Daryl A. Thunder, Micah M. with the Magic, Stephen M. with the Sixers, Alex W. Suns, Craig L. with the Blazers, Kings, Jacques D. with the Spurs, Alcisto D. with the Raptors, Craig L. with the Jazz, and Andrew F. with the Wizards. Congratulations to everybody who won their teams. Now let's get after it and pull some fire. This is our first time breaking this season. So 10 cards per box, 8 boxes, 80 cards. See, you like how fast I do that math, huh?
That's good math.
That was good, right?
Yep.
Let's see what pack 1 has for us. Is it like they did before?
No.
No,
like
just go.
3
okay.
or 4 base.
Got it. Jonathan Kuminga is our first card.
You'll see a pet parallel.
You
know.
Shai Gilgeous Alexander, OKC. He's like, you dick. Bam Adebayo for the Heat.
There's your first one.
And watercolor. We got our first watercolor, which is Anthony Edwards. That's a sapphire, so that should be numbered to 25. There you go, Minnesota. Daryl with the Ant-Man. I know he loves his Ant-Man. Watercolor to 25 sapphire. Congratulations. We do have a Ruby Blake Wesley Spurs heir apparent auto to 99, 36 of 99 for San Antonio. Congratulations to Jacques. Daryl, you just made it. You just got yourself a nice Anthony Edwards to 25 watercolor. You had some nice hits, man, some nice autos in the first break, in your first basketball break. So Blake Wesley. And Malachi Branham, Spurs are staying on there. Rookie expression, little relic, not numbered. Malachi Branham for San Antonio. And then we've got Maestros, James Harden. Nikola Jokic, watercolors for Denver. We have Christian Brown, level 1 for Denver. And Christian Brown, what level is this?
I think that's
2. 2. That's 2. Christian Brown 2. So you got 1 and 2 in one. A lot of Denver cards. Okay. All right, that's box 1. I got it now. I figured it out.
We have just numbers and
just numbers and autos. Yeah. Let's not get crazy. Yeah, you got a watercolor to 25, Daryl. So that was pretty nice. All right, Sadiq Bey for Detroit. A Mike Conley, the Jazz. A Bradley Beal for the Wizards. A Jonathan Kuminga Ruby for the Golden State Warriors for Daryl. That's going to be out of 149, 32 of 149. 32, 149, there you go, Jonathan Kuminga. We have for Dallas, a brushstroke. That's a purple Spencer Dinwiddie for Daryl. That's out of 35, 13 of 35. Nice low numbered auto of Spencer Dinwiddie for Dallas. There you go. 13 of 35, 13, half of his jersey number. And for Detroit, we have a Artistic Endeavor relic patch, not numbered for Detroit.
Love those jerseys.
Oh, I thought you meant like the relic. I'm like, what are you talking about? Bradley Beal, Maestros, Wizards.
Just a white patch.
Yeah. We have a Jalen Green for the Rockets watercolor. There you go. A Agbaji level 1 rookie. And a Shadion Sharp level 2. There you go, Portland. I know that's what you're looking for, Craig. Shadion Sharp level 2. Nice. hell is this? Good luck, everyone. Rudy Gobert for Minnesota. Keldon Johnson for the Spurs. Pascal Siakam, Toronto. We have a Josh Giddey. That's going to be a purple. That's to 49. 49 of 49 for OKC. For Daryl. Nice. Josh Giddey, second year purple. Congrats. We have an Isaiah Mobley, fresh paint. Nice. There you go, Cleveland. Daryl's just cleaning up. Isaiah Mobley, 157 to 199 auto. There you go, Daryl. Seems like all I'm saying is Daryl. Portland, we have a Shadion Sharp rookie expression patch for the Blazers. There you go. And the work in progress, love these for Chicago Bulls. That's Dalen Terry. Maestro Donovan Mitchell. A level 1 Christian Brown. And a level 3 Benedict Mathurin. There you go. Rookie 3 Indiana. That is for Alcisto. Congrats. Level 3 Mathurin. Very nice. Yeah, hot box, hot case, hot everything, Daryl. I'm going to say your name a bunch today. You and I both know that. Come on. Daryl. Daryl's in a break. His good will and his good attitude is infectious, and that is why we all do well. Tyrese Halliburton for Indiana. There's more than corn, by the way. Ben Simmons for the Nets. Franz Wagner for the Magic. Bradley Beal purple. There you go. Purple Bradley Beal for Wizards. That's going to be 6 of 49 for Andrew F. And then we have a Blake Wesley auto again. This one is a sapphire, which I think so was the other one. It is. So that one was 36 of 99, and this one is 63 of 99. So 36 and 63, got them reversed. Red, ruby red. Got a patch of artistic endeavors for Jalen Green for the Rockets. A red patch. There you go. Kawhi Leonard watercolors. Work in progress. There's a Boncaro for Orlando. There you go, Micah. Work in progress. There's a Jalen Williams for the Thunder, level 1. And for the Chicago Bulls, Dalen Terry, level 2. I like these. These are cool. All right, halfway done. Alrighty, I agree, Daryl. I do agree.
I heard 4s are really hard to pull.
Yeah, 4s are hard to pull. Mike Conley, Utah Jazz. Bradley Beal and the Wizards. Unless you have the bar, it's easy to pull 4s. Kyrie Irving, Nuts. A Devin Booker. Ruby Maestros. That's going to be numbered to 149. 86 of 149 for Phoenix. Alex W. Then we have a Max Christie rookie auto, fresh paint for the Lakers. That is Daryl. None other than Daryl to 199. 146 to 199 fresh paint. You got a Max Christie rookie. Congrats. Then we have a, that's cool, Art Nouveau, Karl Anthony Towns from Minnesota for Daryl. Nice little cat patch. Then we have a Luka Doncic watercolors. Is that his tattoo? Because that looks weird. David Roddy for the Memphis Grizzlies, works in progress. A Beauchamp from Milwaukee, level 1. And a level 2 Walker Kessler for the Utah Jazz. I got the second half of this case later on tonight, ladies and gentlemen. That's right, we have 8 breaks tonight. That's right, 8 breaks. Jalen Suggs from Magic. Russell Westbrook, Lakers. Jimmy Buckets for the Heat. And Ja Morant. Sapphire. There you go, Grizzlies. Watercolor, 2 of 25. Nice, Grizzlies. Nice. They hit Monica. And we have Ayo Dosunmu, second-year sophomore for the Chicago Bulls. That's John R. Like that. Like the red because it matches the Bulls. Ayo Dosunmu, brushstrokes, number 2, 49. 17 of 49. Very nice. There's a Chet. Chitty Chet Chet for the Thunder. Rookie expression patch. For Daryl. And we got Giannis Maestros. Watercolors, Kevin Garnett for T-Wolves. That's nice again, Minnesota. Daryl. A Caleb Houston level 1 for the Magic. And another level 3. This time it's for New Orleans. That's the Dyson Daniels level 3. There you go, New Orleans. For Joshua D. I thought I had the camera back, so I moved it. But it's pretty sturdy. All right, here we go. Tyler Hero for the Heat. Devin Vassell Spurs. Giannis Antetokounmpo for the Milwaukee Bucks. Spencer Dinwiddie is, that's a pink? Yep, Spencer Dinwiddie pink. Number 2, 99. 62 of 99, pink. For Dallas. Daryl. Caleb Houston for Orlando Magic. For Micah. That's a ruby. Caleb Houston. Out of 99. 53 of 99. There you go, Micah. Johnny Davis for Washington. That's Andrew F. Hey, a 2-color patch. Art Nouveau. Johnny Davis. Out of 25. 23 of 25. I don't even know why. Why is it out of 25? What makes it so special? I don't even know. But it is. Johnny Davis, Art Nouveau to 25. Not sure why. Paolo Banchero Maestro for the Magic. Bradley Beal for the Wizards. Watercolor. Wendell Moore Jr., level 1 for the Timberwolves for Daryl. And there you go, Jalen Williams, rookie, OKC level 2 for Thunder. Daryl again. They're cool. They're pretty nice, Tyler. I'm not gonna lie. They're cool. Final box in the first one. Santa's got some heel on. Zion Williamson for the Pels. LaMelo Ball for the Hornets. KPJ Scoot for Houston. And a nice Desmond Bane. What is that? Looks different. I don't know why, but it looks different. Let me see a bit of base. Is it the same?
Yeah, could have been a.
Yeah, that's odd. It kind of is flashy, though, no? Yeah, this is different.
Oh, no.
No, it's different. I don't know what it is. Oh, wait. Finish, maybe? Let me see the finish of this. No, I don't know what this is. I have to check it out. I'm not sure what this is called.
Number?
It's not. But it's like more shiny-ish. I'll let you check it out. Onyeka Okongwu for Atlanta, auto. Impressionist ink.
Could be just
19 of 35
silver.
for Tyler B. I don't know, maybe that's just silver, like you said. San Antonio, Art Nouveau, Jeremy Sochan. Not numbered. Again, I didn't see the difference between this and the other guy. Let me just see here. A curiosity. What makes this any different? It's just nothing. It's just maybe the patch.
Oh, the patch on it.
And it's numbered. I don't know. I do not know. Keegan Murray for the Sacramento Kings. Works in progress. Nice. Hey, there's our nice hit. Orlando. Micah. Paulo Banchero. There's your first steps.
Remember, they used to be loaded with that.
Yeah, and then now it's like a shorter print, I guess. First steps. Nice Paulo Banchero. Chet, level 1 rookie. And David Roddy for Memphis Grizzlies, level 2 rookie. All right, that was break 530. We have the other second half of that later. Let's recap here. We have Spencer Dinwiddie pink. That's going to be to 99 for Dallas. We have Ja Morant sapphire watercolor to 25. We have a Ruby Devin Booker Maestros. That's going to be to 149. There's a Bradley Beal purple to 49. There's a Josh Giddey purple to 49. There's a Jonathan Kuminga ruby to 149. A sapphire watercolor of Anthony Edwards to 25. Congrats there, Daryl, as well. We got our autos, which is Onyeka Okongwu. This is purple to 35 for Atlanta. Fresh paint, Caleb Houston, ruby to 99 for Orlando. We have a Ayo Dosunmu for the Chicago Bulls. Brushstrokes, ruby to 49. Fresh paint, Max Christie to 199 for Lakers. Blake Wesley, not one, but two heir apparents. Both ruby, by the way. Both numbered to 99. 136 is 1 to 63. 63 and 36. So there you go. Two for the price of one. Isaiah Mobley for Cleveland. Fresh paint to 199. And for Dallas, we have a Spencer Dinwiddie purple to 49. No, I'm sorry, to 35 because it's an auto. 13 of 35 for Dallas. And then we did get that patch of Johnny Davis Art Nouveau for Washington out of 25. All right, thank you, everyone. We'll be right back with 531.